So today we're going to do the 4 most popular knots for paracord key rings. So the first one we're going to do is a good old Cow Hitch. Now there's 2 ways of doing this, and I'm going to show you the easiest. And that is, you get your loop, you poke it through the key ring, like that. You flip it over the top of the key ring, turn it over, and like magic, there's your Cow's Hitch. So the second one we're going to do is a Slingstone Hitch, which is really easy. All you do, get your cord, poke it up through the middle like before, bring it down like that, and then you're going to get your ends and poke them through that loop like that. And pull everything together, and that is your Slingstone Hitch. Now the third one we're going to do is a ball hitch. So what you do, you bring your cord up through the middle, bring it over the top like you would the Cow's Hitch, but you leave this loop really big, because what you're going to do, so you get your loop like this, and you give it a twist like that, and then you poke the end back over your split ring like that, and then pull it together. And if you've done it right, you should have an X shape like that. The last one we're going to do is a cat's paw, which is really easy as well. So you get your loop, go up through the middle like before, flip it over like you would a Cow's Hitch, but this time we're going to get the split ring and we're going to bend it down under and through that loop. We're just going to twist it once like that, and then we're just going to pull everything up together. And once you've tightened it up, you get yourself a cat's paw. So that is your 4 most popular knots for key rings. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.